I'm Maggie Miller here at the ODSC conference in Boston, and I'm with Philip Tester. He is the Director of Business Development at CloudFactory, so welcome.
Hi, Maggie.
So tell me, how does CloudFactory help companies act strategically?
Yeah, by turning a question mark into a competitive advantage. Our partners are often looking to deliver complete solutions to their customers, and that typically requires humans as a component to label and annotate data. The problem is they're not workforce companies themselves, and so they're not good at helping companies understand what to look for. And beyond that, workforce is commonly seen as kind of an unfortunate reality that these are technologists that would prefer to use software and automation and algorithms, and then eventually admit that yes, okay, I need to include humans in this solution. And so, for CloudFactory, our work output is very high quality. It's produced efficiently and it's on time, and so that helps get models that are performant developed rapidly and products that are best in class to market quicker, and that's genuinely a win.
And so what would you say is the current environment like right now for AI tooling?
Crowded. It's a field of a lot of companies and more entrants, it seems like every day, that offer fairly standard annotation and labeling tools, and that's great because there's a lot of options for customers, but it can often be confusing. And so, that's one thing. I would also say that the most common use cases, certainly around computer vision and text labeling for NLP, from image and videos to annotation of text blocks, they're fairly common, almost to the point of being commoditized today. So there is still some leading edge development on tools like 3D point cloud annotation, sensor fusion arrays, and some video tagging.
So with that, how does CloudFactory help its clients, make decisions about tools?
Yeah, it can be really hard from looking at just comparing spec sheets on websites of what functionality is to make a really informed decision. What's interesting is we found that often the things that make the most difference day in, day out are not sort of the flashy features around like AI-assisted tagging or efficient model development or neural networks. It's actually the things that support a human workforce and enable that to be managed efficiently at scale. And it's not the sexy stuff, but like user management, communication, intelligent task routing and tracking, reporting features, workflow configuration, review and QA features. Those are all things that every task, every hour, every day actually help people be more efficient and more productive and more accurate at scale, and there's a lot of value in those things. And so CloudFactory's experience as a workforce participating in a variety of tools and working with current partners and currently evaluating the landscape allows us to have a really informed view on that.
And this next question, we could probably talk about this all day, but could you give me at least your top, the trends and challenges when it comes to the AI ecosystem?
Yeah, I would say it's currently pretty confusing for buyers. It's not clear yet whether we're going to end up with sort of end-to-end solutions being the most common thing, where it's like a data science toolkit or machine learning platform that offers everything from soup to nuts, or if instead data scientists would prefer to cobble together their own stack from the best of breed solutions that they select and make them work together. So I think time will help to make that clearer, but in the meantime it can be confusing for buyers. One trend that I'm seeing that's really interesting is there's a lot of focus on democratizing access to AI, so making it accessible to develop a machine learning model or build a product based around it for people who are not data scientists or machine learning engineers, which is really cool.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time and enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.